Mars might seem like a cold, dead rock, but it's got some wild, unfiltered facts that make it one of the most badass planets in the solar system. 1. It has the biggest volcano in the solar system. Olympus Mons is so massive that if you stood at its base, you wouldn't even realize it was a mountain because it curves with the planet's surface. It's about 3 times the height of Mount Everest and would cover the entire state of Arizona. 2. It also has a canyon that makes the Grand Canyon look tiny. Valles Marineris is over 2,500 miles long, about 10 times bigger than the Grand Canyon, and deep enough to swallow Mount Everest whole. If it were on Earth, it would stretch across the entire U.S. 3. Its atmosphere is so thin, your blood would boil. Mars' atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide and 100 times thinner than Earth's, so if you stepped outside without a spacesuit, you wouldn't just suffocate, you'd die as your bodily fluids vaporized. For Mars has 2 tiny, doomed moons. Phobos and Deimos look more like asteroids than proper moons. Phobos is spiraling toward Mars and will either crash into the planet or break apart into a ring in the next 50 million years. 5. It has dust storms that last for months. Mars is the dustiest planet in the solar system, and its dust storms can cover the entire planet for weeks or months at a time. If you were caught in one, you'd be trapped in darkness, and solar-powered rovers get wiped out because they can't charge. 6. It had liquid water, and maybe life? Mars was once warm and covered in rivers, lakes, and even an ocean billions of years ago. Scientists think it might have supported microbial life, and some believe remnants of that life could still be hiding under the surface. 7. You'd weigh less and jump higher. Mars has only 38% of Earth's gravity, meaning a 200-pound person would weigh just 76 pounds. You could jump almost 3 times higher than on Earth. 8. It has seasons like Earth, but they last twice as long. Because Mars takes 687 days to orbit the Sun, its seasons are twice as long as Earth's. So if you thought winter on Earth was bad, imagine 6 months of freezing Martian cold. 9. We keep sending robots, but no humans yet. NASA, China, and other space agencies have sent dozens of probes and rovers to Mars, but no human has set foot there yet. That could change in the 2030s, though Elon Musk wants SpaceX to do it even sooner. 10. If we colonize Mars, we'd have to nuke it or terraform it. Mars is too cold, its atmosphere is too thin, and there's no magnetic field to protect from solar radiation. Some scientists, including Musk, have suggested nuking the polar ice caps to release CO2 and warm the planet. Others propose terraforming it over thousands of years with bacteria and artificial magnetic shields. Mars is basically a red, dusty death trap, but it's also our best bet for a second home.